بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور الذي خلق 7 سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو حسير.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Blessed is he in whose hand is the dominion, and he is able to do all things, who has created death and life, that he may test you and establish which of you is best in deeds. And he is the Almighty, the oft-forgiving, who has created the 7 heavens one above another. You can see no imperfections in the creation of the Most Gracious. So look again. Do you see any rifts? Then look again and yet again. Your sight will return to you in a state of humiliation and fatigue.
وَلَقَدْ زَيَّنَّا السَّمَاءَ الدُّنْيَا بِمَصَابِيحَ وَجَعَلْنَاهَا رُجُومًا لِلشَّيَاطِينِ وَأَعْتَدْنَا لَهُمْ عَذَابَ السَّعِيرِ وَلِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِرَبِّهِمْ عَذَابُ جَهَنَّمَ وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ.
And indeed, we have adorned the nearest heaven with lamps, and we have made such lamps as missiles to drive away the devils. And we have prepared for them the torment of the blazing fire. And for those who disbelieve in their Lord is the torment of hell, and worst indeed is that destination.
إذا ألقوا فيها سمعوا لها شهيقا وهي تفور تكاد تميز من الغيظ كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير.
When they are cast in it, they will hear the terrible drawing in of its breath as it blazes forth. It almost bursts up with fury. Every time a group is cast inside, its keeper will ask, "Did no warner come to you?" They will say, "Yes, indeed, a warner did come to us, but we denied him and said, Allah never sent down a message. You are only in great error."
وقالوا لو كنا نسمع أو نعقل ما كنا في أصحاب السعير فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير. إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير. وأسروا قولكم أو اجهروا به إنه عليم بذات الصدور. ألا يعلم من خلق وهو اللطيف الخبير.
And they will say, "Had we but listened or used our intelligence, we would not have been among the dwellers of the blazing fire." Then they will confess their sin. So away with the dwellers of the blazing fire. Surely those who fear their Lord unseen, theirs will be a forgiveness and a great reward. And whether you keep your words secret or disclose them, surely he is the all-knower of what is in the hearts of men. Should not he who has created know? And he is most kind and courteous to his slaves, all aware.
هو الذي جعل لكم الأرض ذلولا فامشوا في مناكبها وكلوا من رزقه وإليه النشور. أأمنتم من في السماء أن يخسف بكم الأرض فإذا هي تمور أم أمنتم من في السماء أن يرسل عليكم حاصبا فستعلمون كيف نذير.
It is he who has made the earth subservient to you. So walk in its paths and eat of his provision, and to him will be the resurrection. Do you feel secure that he who is over the heavens will not cause the earth to swallow you as it shakes? Or do you feel secure that he, who is over the heavens, will not send against you a violent whirlwind? Then you shall know the manner of my warning.
ولقد كذب الذين من قبلهم فكيف كان نكير أولم يروا إلى الطير فوقهم صافات ويقبضن ما يمسكهن إلا الرحمن إنه بكل شيء بصير.
And indeed those before them rejected my warning, and how terrible was my rejection of them. Do they not see the birds above them, spreading out their wings and folding them in? None holds them in flight, except the most gracious Allah. Surely He is the all-seer of everything.
أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي هُوَ جُندٌ لَكُمْ يَنصُرُكُم مِّن دُونِ الرَّحْمَنِ إِنِ الْكَافِرُونَ إِلَّا فِي غُرُورٍ أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي يَرْزُقُكُمْ إِنْ أَمْسَكَ رِزْقَهُ بَل لَّجُّوا فِي عُتُوٍّ وَنُفُورٍ.
Who besides the Most Gracious can help you, even as an army? The disbelievers are in nothing but delusion. Who can provide for you if He should withhold His provision? No, but they continue in pride and they flee from the truth.
أفمن يمشي مكبا على وجهه أهدى أمن يمشي سويا على صراط مستقيم قل هو الذي أنشأكم وجعل لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة قليلا ما تشكرون قل هو الذي ذرأكم في الأرض وإليه تحشرون.
Is he who walks about prone on his face more rightly guided, or he who sees and walks on a straight way? Say it is He who has created you and endowed you with hearing, seeing, and hearts. Little thanks do you give. Say, it is He who has created you from the earth, and to Him you shall be gathered in the hereafter.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين قل إنما العلم عند الله وإنما أنا نذير مبين فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون.
They say, when will this promise come to pass if you are telling the truth? Say, O Muhammad, the knowledge of its exact time is only with Allah, and I am only a plain warner. But when they will see it approaching, the faces of those who disbelieve will be grieved, and it will be said to them, this is the promise which you were calling for.
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم قل هو الرحمن آمنا به وعليه توكلنا فستعلمون من هو في ضلال مبين.
Say, O Muhammad, tell me, if Allah destroys me and those with me, or He bestows His mercy, who can save the disbelievers from a painful torment? Say, He is the most gracious Allah. In Him we believe, and in Him we put our trust. So you will come to know who it is that is in manifest error.
قل أرأيتم إن أصبح ماؤكم غورا فمن يأتيكم بماء معين.
Say, O Muhammad, tell me, if all of your water were to be drained away, who then could supply you with flowing spring water?
صدق الله العلي العظيم.